Hello people, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the today's sessions, and in the particular video I will be talking about the CBSE class 10 blueprints of mathematics for the session of 2021 as well as 2022. This particular video is for both the aspirants, like for example for the standard mathematics students as well as the basic mathematics students. The people who doesn't know yet the differentiate between standard mathematics students as well as the basic mathematics students, do not get worried about that. I will come back again with a strong video to have a great differentiate between the standard mathematics as well as basic mathematics. Not only that, but also I have received a lots of emails, the lots of notification from the students that what to do, what not to do, like whether we should take a standard mathematics or whether we should take basic mathematics. So we should not analysis a lot regarding that. I will come again with a new video of the standard mathematics as well as a basic mathematics, right? So in the particular video there are having two parts. The first part is standard mathematics marking scheme, in the second video is basic mathematics marking scheme, right? And also you can see over here the unit wise marking scheme. From which unit how many marks is going to come for the board examination. And the most important which I am going to say that generally there are a lots of people, I may say 99% of students, those who want to secure 80 out of 80, those who want to secure 80 out of 80, those who have potential to secure 80 out of 80, but they doesn't know few things. What? Number one, they doesn't know how to prepare themselves. Number two, they doesn't know how to take the decisions. Number three, they doesn't know which chapter to read, which chapter not to read, in which chapter we should give a lots of time, to which chapter we should not give a lots of time. For particular people only, the particular session is for them. Do not worry, I will be there to help you out in each and every one. Do not worry, I will be there to help you out for each and every aspirants. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's the topic get started, right? See, generally what I am saying now, I am not saying anything from my own mind. Whatever I am saying, I have analyzed it, I have done a lots of verification for the particular sessions, as well as after having a lots of verification, after having a lots of analysis, and I have taken out few of the numbers from which chapter, how many numbers of questions are going to come. All right, so let us start. As you can see again that the number system is a unit, right? From the particular unit only 6 mark question is going to come, right? From the 6 mark question is going to come. Number system is having only one chapter. Which chapter? That is none other than real number. That means from the real number 6 marker question is going to come, right? Is it clear? Again you see algebra part. Out in the algebra part 20 marker question is going to come. And how many chapters are there in the algebra? There are having 4 chapters. What are the? Chapter number 2 polynomial, chapter number 3 linear equation, chapter number 4 quadratic equation, chapter number 5 as well as an AP. See, from the linear equation 7 mark question is going to come. From the polynomial 7 mark question is going to come. From the linear equation 7 mark. From the quadratic 6 as well as an AP 1. AP 1 mark question is going to come. Now you see, generally there are having a lots of varieties of people that they might be giving or they will give a lots of emphasis to the chapter number 5, that is AP, which only comes for a 1 mark, but that doesn't give a lots of importance to these all chapters, to these particular 3 chapters. You cannot understand. Let me give another example. Wait, suppose you are having 4 hours. Suppose you are having 4 hours within you, and I am saying you to give the 4 hours to the 4 chapters. What you will be doing? Yes, you will be giving every hour to each and every chapter. Like chapter 2 1 hour, chapter 3 1 hour, chapter 4 1 hour, chapter 5 1 hour, right? But after looking at the video, after looking all the topics, after getting all the clarification, now you will be giving these particular 3 chapters a lots of time comparison to chapter number 5. Why? Because only 1 marker question is going to come from this. This is a way to prepare yourself. this is the way to make the best strategy. All right, if the session is really helpful, then please do share the particular video with all your friends so that they can also get the notification regarding these all blueprints, right? All right, next, and the most important, the triangle chapter. The triangle chapter is very important, in which 8 marker question is going to come, as well as coordinate geometry again 7 mark, trigonometry 8, and trigonometry, application of trigonometric is 4 as well as 8. See children, see, very important again. Generally trigonometry, generally I don't know about a school when your school is going to start about the trigonometry, but you should start the trigonometry as first you should start real number, after that you should start trigonometry, because trigonometry is very important. And this is and personally I don't think that, but people think that trigonometry, they think trigonometry is bit of hard, difficult to them. That's the reason I wanted that you should start trigonometry very soon, right? Very soon, because 12 marker question is going to come from the 2 chapters, 12 mark. Again the circle 4, again construction 2, list of marks, again the area related to circle, that is all about a 4, surface area and volume 6. Yes, one thing more, what? Statistics and probability. Again you can see statistics and probability, 11 mark question is going to come, but from the statistics 10 mark is very important, and in the probability 1 mark question is going to come. Now suppose you are having 3 hours with you, and I am giving you 3 chapters to do. What are the 2 chapters to do? What? Chapter number 5, chapter number 14. The people, I'm talking about the standard mathematics, I'm talking about standard mathematics students. The video is, particular video is for the standard mathematics students, right? This is not for the basic mathematics students. The basic mathematics students video I will be saying in the second half, right? Just wait for that. See, you are having 3 hours within you, and you are having only 2 chapters to revise, chapter number 5, chapter number 14. See, very important. But now what you will do? The people, those who have seen my video, or those who have the knowledge of the blueprint, they will be giving 2.30 minutes to the chapter number 14, that is none other than statistics. Why? Because 10 marker question is going to come, 10 marks. To particular 5 mark question, they might be giving 30, they may give 30 minutes or may 15 minutes, right? This is the way to prepare for yourself. The people, those who have not seen this video, or which doesn't have any type of values, any type of knowledge regarding the blueprints, they will be giving 1.30 hours to chapter 5, 1.30 minutes to chapter number 14. Is it clear? I hope the session is very helpful to you. If this session is very helpful, okay, then please do share with your friends. All right. Acha, the standard mathematics portion has been over. Now let us skip to the basic mathematics portion, right? Acha, and one more thing I have forgotten to say for the standard mathematics experience, just a minute, that which chapter we should give a lots of inputs, starting, that is chapter number 1. If you want to get 80 out of 80, do not worry my dear children, I am there to help you out, and the new session is going to start from the 14th of May. Right, from the 14th of May the new session is going to start, and in the particular session, and I promise everyone that you all people will get 80 out of 80 if you will cooperate me. Do not worry about that, right? Chapter number 1 is a real number. Definitely you people may start a real number. After that you should start chapter number 8 as well as 9, because from this particular chapter 12 mark question is going to come. I am not saying about a 9, you should start about a 8. You should start about 8, as well as then after all the algebra part, right? Then triangles is very important, 8 marks, triangles is very important, 8 marks. Then coordinate geometry, again chapter 7 coordinate geometry. These things you should complete first, and after that you can do whatever you want the next, right? And from this, and see, there is having you know statistics, there is having a season of doing statistics, month of doing statistics, and every year you have to do statistics in the month of November to Jan. In the month of November to Jan you should complete that. November to Jan. By the latest I'm talking, because this COVID situation, the COVID scenario, we are starting very late the sessions. That's the reason November to Jan you should complete, because if you will be reading now statistics, it will be having no use, because maximum school, 90% of the school, that doesn't put these all things, right? So for them only you can start from the session from November to Jan. All right, now let us start with a basic mathematics experiment. See people, this is all about the basic mathematics students blueprint. There is having a lots of difference between a standard mathematics students as well as basic mathematics students. See, shall I give an example? What we did in the standard mathematics chapter number 5 AP, which is generally going to come for the 1 marker question, but here you see 7 marker question is going to come from the AP. Do you feel something interesting? So let's start the show, right? Acha, nothing change in that. You can see again all the unit wise marker is remaining the same for standard mathematics students as well as the basic mathematics students. Number system the same, 6 marks, no changes in that. For the basic students, number system is 6 marks is going to come in your exam. After that, the algebra is all about 20 marks. From the algebra, again the polynomial 5 marks. From the polynomial, divisible of the polynomial, very important direct question of the board examination, which is going to come in the exam, right? You are thinking how I knew that it is going to come in an exam, Babu. It is generally the random asked questions. Do not worry about that. I will be saying each and everything, and I will make you sure how to give 80 out of 80. Just stay with me, stay tuned. As well as linear equation, again the 5 marks. Quadratic equation 3 marks. Listen, quadratic equation 3 marks. If I'm not wrong, in the standard mathematics quadratic equation generally it comes for the 6 marks, but basic it is for the 3 marks. And as well as for the AP 7 mark. AP 7 mark, very important, very interesting also. AP 7 mark. That means what? We have to give a lots of importance for the AP. We have to give a lots of importance for the AP. Right, that means from the this is all about algebra part, right? Chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5, as well as this is all the algebra part. From the algebra 20 marker question is going to come, right? From the 20 marks 7 marker question is from AP. क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ? See, this is having a lots of difference. 1 mark is AP, 7 mark is for basic. For the basic students, right? Again the same triangle 7 mark. In the standard it was coming like 8 marks. Here it is 7 marks. Coordinate geometry the same, 7 marks. Trigonometry the same, no changes. Trigonometry, there it was 4, here it is 5. There it was 8, here it is 7. Nothing changes, right? Again circle is very important. There's perhaps 2 something it was there, 2 marks something it is there. Here it is 8. Construction the 2. Again area related to circle is 2. Surface area, that is all about mensuration, 7 mark. Mensuration, surface area and volume, right? 7 mark. And remember my children, this time there is having not a deduction of a syllabus. That means everything you have to read it, everything starting to bottom, nothing changes is there this time, right? And in the probability statistics 11 marker is coming, which is statistics 6 mark and probability 5 mark. In the standard mathematics it was coming 10 marks from the 1 chapter, my goodness. And here is 6 mark from the 1 chapter. Is it clear to everyone? As well as the probability is all about 5 marks. End of the show. That means the moral of the story, to which chapter we should give a lots of importance in case of algebra, that is chapter number 5. My goodness, sir, what you are talking about? Before 5 minutes to 10 minutes you were talking that chapter number 5 is no important. Now you are saying the chapter number 5 is important. Chapter number 5 was not important for the terms of standard mathematics. Chapter number 5 is important for the terms of basic mathematics. Is it clear to everyone? And I hope the today's session is very important. So how to read? So how to start the show? Again I am saying the same. You should start with the real number. You should start with the number system. Again with the trigonometry. Again then after algebra part. Again after algebra part, then after whatever you can do for the chronological order. We don't have any kind of issues, and the session is going to start from the 14th of May. Stay tuned, be updated, take care of everyone, and it's a very tough time generally. So please take care, please be safe and wear mask, use sanitize, take care. God bless.